The Government Center for Inspections and Quality Control continue to provide its services for structural examinations in the current circumstances while complying with the conditions issued by the Ministry of Health.
The Government Center provided checks and quality control for all projects of government agencies and private companies and residents. More with Adra Jabir.
The Government Center for Inspection and Quality Control continued to provide its services for structural examination in current circumstances while complying with the conditions issued by the Ministry of Health.
So we are here in the center, which is established from 1953 to provide the several services to several types of clients, such as governmental projects, special projects, and companies, also to the public. Our services can be to cover the tests, physical, chemical, mechanical tests in construction and road projects. Also, we have here in the center 5 departments, which are construction lab department, road lab department, quality control department, safety department, and planning and follow-up office.
In the lab, we have different types of cement, including white cement, ordinary Portland cement, which is OPC, sulfite-resisting cement, which is SRC, and GGBS. And we have different standards of testing the cement samples, including ASTM, which is the American standard, BS, which is the British standard, KSS, which is the Kuwaiti standard. We mostly use the American standard, which is ASTM. And most of the tests we do are compression tests for the cubes that we make, and setting time. We have fineness and also consistency. And for the molds that we make, the small cubes, they usually take for 3 days, 7 days, and some take as long as 28 days to test.
This lab is aggregate lab. We do all tests for coarse, fine, and recycled aggregate. We have up to 15 different tests that meets British standard specifications and ASTM specifications with the steps and the limit ranges that give us the right to confirm or not confirm the material that is used in the labs.
The Government Center provided checks and quality control for all projects, government agencies, and private companies and resident, and reached the percentage of Kuwait in the center 100%, and determines prices by ministerial decision, which is symbolic prices, where the use and provision of high-quality inspection devices and included a large number of physical, mechanical, and chemical tests. This was Adra Jabir reporting Kuwait English News.